My name is Alec Probolski. I'm one of the regional sales managers here at Icarus Medical Innovations. My background is in durable medical equipment and patient care, and today we're going to go over the Adonis unloader knee brace. First thing we're going to do is unhook the clips from the brace itself. We're going to take this knee pad and align it with the knee itself. A little tip and trick is where there's a little dot here on the inside portion, we're going to line that up with that top part of the kneecap. Good little landmark there. From here, we're going to take our straps and start doing it in the sequence. So the nice thing about the Adonis is that it has these little dots on there to indicate which strap and what part of the sequence you're going to be in. So number one is going to be all the way at the bottom. This strap is going to be the most important when it comes to holding the brace up. So we want to make sure that that is going to be the most snug. From here, we're going to take the number 2 strap, which is going to be at the bottom, and go to the top. It's going to go right through that joint space in the back part of the knee. And you hear a nice little click. Number 3 is going to start at the top and work its way to the bottom. Same thing, crossing that joint space. Hear a nice little click. Last but not least is going to be the thigh strap all the way at the top. Before we go and stand, we want to make sure that we're nice and snug on all the straps. The tighter you make those cross straps, the more unloading you're going to feel within your knee. If you need more, make them tighter. If you need less, make them looser. Once we have the strapping sequence and the straps are nice and taut, we can go ahead and take a stand. We want to make sure that there's no scratching, scraping, or poking anywhere on the brace. And then all we're going to do is just take a couple steps, and we'll go walk back. And once we feel like it's in a good spot, we're ready to go for the day. To take the brace off is loosen all of the straps. Starting from the top, working our way to the bottom. And just to help remember the sequence, I like to do it in the same sequence as we put it on. So all the way at the bottom, unhook. Second one, that first cross strap. Third one, the second cross strap. And then fourth, all the way at the top. Little tip and trick, so the straps just aren't all going all over the place, is just reattach the brace to the correct spot. So first, all the way at the bottom. Second, bottom to the top. Third, top to the bottom. And then fourth, at the thigh. And that's how you put on and take off your Adonis knee brace.